Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to animate Figma slides with Lottie. This is a fantastic way to bring your presentations to life with smooth, professional animations that will make your design stand out. If you want to streamline your workflow and save money on subscriptions, check out the link in my description. First things first, open your Figma application and make sure you're in the project where you want to add animations. Once you're in, look down at the bottom of your screen and click on the action icon. From there, select plugins and widgets. This is where you'll access all the powerful tools that extend Figma's functionality beyond its core features. In the plugins menu, you'll see a search bar. Type in Lottie files and click on it when it appears in the results, then hit run to launch the plugin. This opens up a whole library of pre-made animations that you can use in your designs, saving you hours of work creating animations from scratch. Now comes the fun part. Browse through the available animations until you find one that fits your project perfectly. These range from simple loading spinners to complex illustrated sequences. Once you've found the animation you want, click on it to select it. This will bring up additional customization options. Next, you can choose a color palette that suits your design aesthetic. This is really useful because it allows you to match the animation to your brand colors or the overall theme of your presentation. Take your time here to make sure the colors work harmoniously with the rest of your slide. Once you're happy with the color selection, click Insert GIF. This is where you'll finalize how the animation appears in your Figma file. You'll be presented with several options to customize the output. Here you can choose the size of the animation, making it larger or smaller depending on where you plan to place it in your design. You can also adjust the frame rate, which controls how smooth or fast the animation plays. Additionally, you'll see a checkbox for transparency. If you want the animation to blend seamlessly with your background, make sure to check this box. After you've configured all these settings to your liking, click Insert. Now you'll need to wait a moment while Lottie processes and renders your animation. This usually only takes a few seconds, but it depends on the complexity of the animation and your internet connection. Once the processing is complete, the animation will automatically insert onto your Figma slides. You can then move it, resize it, or layer it with other design elements just like any other object in Figma. And that's it. You've successfully added a Lottie animation to your Figma slides, making your presentation more dynamic and engaging. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.